you all know that weekends are very exciting because you get to wake up late, you get to eat without getting ready and taking a bath, and no online classes. But my family weekend is even more exciting. Let me show you one example. This is Sunday morning. Can we plan something exciting today?
Exciting.
Yeah.
Yesterday the whole day got wasted. Your father was keeping his laptop.
Don't talk about my laptop. You are always watching WhatsApp. That didn't come to your mind.
Yeah.
You always see Among Us. You didn't play with me yesterday.
What? You're dumb, boring red ball? Okay, fine. Today I promise I'll play with you.
Oh,
Okay,
it's
let's
not
not
fight.
Yeah.
We'll do something interesting. Okay? I would see my phone today.
Okay, I promise I will not take my laptop today.
I'll not take my tab and play online games.
And I promise I will not take bath today.
Okay, get ready. We'll go on
Yeah,
plan.
let's
Come,
go
come,
and
come,
have
come, come,
something. Come, let's
Get
go.
ready. So what's the plan today?
You tell.
Okay. Let's go to a mall.
Mall, oh my god, no malls please.
It's so nice. We get lot of options to buy a dress for us.
And I will be waiting like a watchman there. No please, no mall.
Let's go to fire station.
Wi-Fi station.
Because ice cream, he will give ice cream.
The last time we went, I think they served ice cream in the school.
Okay.
Can we go karting?
I love go-karting. Even.
But
Yeah,
only you
we
can
will
play
enjoy.
go-karting.
Even
What
we'll
about us?
enjoy.
But they will not allow, he is too small.
Aww.
Hey, I'll give you a better idea. Let's go to a trekking.
Trekking? What happened last day? I used to carry him to the top. I was the only one suffering. You all enjoyed.
But it's good for your tummy, amor. Okay. Next time, fine.
Okay.
I'll bring the laptop. We'll see in Philadelphia what is a good outing. Day outing.
Day outing?
Yeah.
Okay.
But you told no laptop.
But this is just one exception, please.
Fine.
Huh.
Okay.
Okay. Your father always has a reason to get his laptop.
Okay, see. Hey, what about this place? It's very nice. See, lot of trees and
I want to go in this.
Oh, it's very
I want to
expensive.
go in this.
No, that is too crowded.
No. I like this one. I like
No, I want to go in this.
No, that's too expensive.
No.
Hey, they don't have a buffet there.
Yeah. No break.
Yeah, I think the food is not good over there.
Yeah, I heard that. See how they're fighting. This is a chaos. This chaos went on for 1.5 hours. And they did not notice how hungry they were. What about this one?
This looks good.
Yeah, this looks good.
Hey, but there is no complimentary breakfast.
What is the breakfast?
Now.
Hmm.
Oh, it's too late.
Oh,
Okay, I'll prepare some yummy upma.
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Something different.
Yeah,
I
different.
will not
I
do
did.
like upma. Okay. First, I'll go and see what is there in the kitchen. Then I'll prepare something yummy.
Okay, let's see.
Okay?
Okay, let's see. You've not been into the kitchen in a while.
So dumb.
Amma, I found a very good recipe for banana cake pudding. You already made the things ready now? Okay. See this. This is very nice.
Hey, nice.
With all the ingredients at home.
What we need? Yes, I have ragi.
Yeah, the ragi.
Okay, I have dry fruits.
Okay,
And banana. Okay, we will do this.
leave it.
And some more milk.
Amma, I put that I will make today's cooking.
Okay, it's up to you. I'm not going to come.
I have YouTube.
I also want to play. Let me alone.
This is not a toy, Samya. This is cooking. Samya, careful, okay? I am only letting you do this so that I won't get in trouble. You want to try this?
Hey, Hasini, come. What happened? Show. It's all smoke.
Oh my goodness!
Oh, what happened?
God.
Oh, you kept it in high temperature.
That cannot mention in YouTube.
Yeah, this is what happens if you see the YouTube. So effectively your breakfast.
It's all food. Hey, what happened? It's okay. Can we eat something on this? I don't know.
Fully burned.
It's okay, let's do something. Let's order.
Yeah.
We'll order the same? No. Okay.
Let's have a pizza. Let's have a pizza.
Yeah.
Pizza? Pizza for breakfast?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No, let's order. I will give you something like upma, quinoa.
No.
We'll
No,
order-
no healthy
healthy.
food. At least we'll eat something tasty.
Yeah.
Come here, come here.
I'm ordering tasty.
You're ordering tasty food?
This is not tasty.
Hey, what about this bowl? Bowl will be
Bowl
nice.
also better.
No, bowl is also healthy.
What is wrong with eating healthy food? You have something against
This
it?
has 30% off. Let's try it out.
You don't even know what it is. It's snacks.
Hey, what about fresh milk? We'll try something fresh milk.
No.
Hey, it's already,
No, it's closing time.
it's already lunch time. Okay, so
Let
okay,
us
let's order
order
pizza.
pizza.
Only. Yeah,
Yeah,
pizza.
we'll order pizza then.
Hey, what topping you want?
Okay,
Pepperoni toppee.
No pepperoni. I want something like
Chicken pizza?
Hey, what about paneer?
Paneer pizza. This food selection went on and circled back to the same dish.
What is this? Shoo, pizza. Hello? Huh? Where are you? Sarjapur Ring Road. Why?
Ammo, did you give the location correctly? Last time you ordered from Sarjapur, remember?
Sure.
How many times I have to tell you how to set the GPS?
I just asked him whether
Okay.
can he deliver here. Can you come to Whitefield?
He's going to come all the way from there to Whitefield. He's going to double charge it.
It just Kundali called me. You know, like Matali,
I'm
you
already
just need
hungry.
to cross
Yeah.
Get some,
and then
something
you
to
need to
eat.
come
Yeah, I'm
over
getting
here.
some snacks.
Hello?
Something.
So he's
Bring
going
some
to
snacks.
cancel the order. Yeah.
Give me some chips also. The whole day is ruined all because of you.
Okay, let's watch some movie.
Movie. Hey, movie.
Movie?
Hey, let's put Netflix.
No. Right?
Sammy, what do you want? Can we watch Hotstar?
No, princess
Hey,
movies.
Putta Pudukale.
No,
We watch some Tamil
no Tamil
movie.
movies. please.
There is
No.
Disney movie
I
for
tell you,
the whole family.
Have you watched Interstellar? It's very nice.
No.
Hey, you'll also like it. It has a lot of science.
Even
It's a
Disney
fun.
movies are fun. Like
Disney-
not only princesses.
All Disney movies are like some princess having some
No.
trouble and happily living ever after.
No.
What I mean, that is the same story getting repeated every
Then
time.
after
Okay,
you
do
No,
something.
at least that this one. There is a good Hindi movie about real life incidents. At least that we watch.
No Hindi movie.
Don't ask. No
Teen
Teen
Titan.
Titan. That he doesn't watch.
No
alone.
Teen Titan.
Let's watch something which everybody can watch together.
Yeah, that's what.
He doesn't understand.
Then what is the okay? Just hold on. No, this one.
No,
Hey.
this one.
Hey, that Misa pose is.
Can we see Huggy?
Huh?
Can we see Huggy?
Huggy. What is that?
Same thing happened with the movie. The movie selection went on, and they finally decided to watch a kids movie, Dougie. That Dougie is very silly. Like it's a dog which dances like. We planned to go out, and now we're all sitting with our phones.
Oh.
Let's at least go outside to the park for a walk.
Okay. Yeah, he comes. Get your dress.
Get your dress. I'll go get my mask. Everybody get your mask. I'll go get my jacket.
Samir, where is your mask?
Where is my mask? Okay. Now let's go out.
Fine. It's a day only.
Finally, we can go to a dog.
Yeah.
Mom, it's raining.
What?
What?
Oh, it's raining.
Yeah, let's try it. It's little bit only raining now.
We'll try.
Oh no, this is too much rain.
Ah, it's heavy. We can't go.
Okay, enough. Turn off your phones. It's time to sleep.
Wait. I will
Okay.
turn off.
Okay.
Wait,
Close.
I will turn off.
Okay, close.
You're closing all the applications.
Today we didn't do anything
No.
useful.
Yeah, close it.
Yeah, next week.
Okay. Promise next week we are doing something great.
Yeah. Next week,
Ah.
really something exciting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you want to do?
Mm.
We'll plan tomorrow?
The day ended by everybody watching gadgets, which they promised not to, but yeah, this is my family.